just got to the airport. I got some coffee and I am waiting to board my plane to LA. Yeah, here we go.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay,
I just got to LAX. It's crazy.
here forever. If you're meant to.
Okay guys, that was an interesting journey from LAX. It is a busy airport. California is really cool. So far, so good. I am gonna be here for about 3 months, so I'm gonna go to the store and get some groceries, cleaning products, just some basic things that I need. I have a couple days until I start work, so I'm gonna do that today and tomorrow. I just came back from getting groceries and now I'm gonna unpack my bag and my food that I just bought at the grocery store. I went to Trader Joe's and the dollar store. I ended up buying my own cleaning stuff just because I'm gonna be here for a long time. So I wanna be able to clean well. They have a cleaning service every week or so, I think, but it was good to have it. So I'll show you guys what I bought. Hopefully I can unpack some stuff tonight and then tomorrow I'll really finish everything up. I'm so tired. There's a pretty big time difference here. It'll be interesting to see how I adjust to that. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is a basket that I got for really cheap at Target. It was like $4, I think. And then I got some food from Trader Joe's and shampoo, because I wasn't able to pack my shampoo because my bag was too heavy. So I had to get everything again, which kind of stunk, but that's okay. Then I have some toiletries in here and then food here too. So I'm gonna unpack and then take a shower and just chill out for the rest of the night. I'm getting a late start to the day, but I was very exhausted from traveling yesterday, so I decided to just take it easy today since I'm gonna be working. But I have a couple more errands I need to run today, and then I should be set for my first day tomorrow. Hopefully I can explore around where I'm living and bring you guys along. They have a Target here, which is phenomenal. It's great. So I'm gonna go to Target probably and get some things, and then I'll just chill for the rest of the day.